Welcome back, guys. So today I'm very excited to tell you that today we are going to create a pop-up using Elementor. So let me show you. So how can we create a pop-up? So I already made a pop-up. So let me show you a demo here. When I click on here, get sales, so you can see the pop-up is here appearing. So let me show you how can we make this pop-up. So let me go back to my dashboard and then click on plugins, then click on add new plugin. So we need here two plugins. The first plugin is exclusive add-ons. So I already installed these plugins. So without wasting your time, guys, I will show you the first plugin that you need to install. Here is the first plugin, exclusive add-ons. By exclusive add-ons, second plugin that we need to install is Anywhere Elementor. So we need to install the second plugin, that is Anywhere Elementor. So here is the second plugin, Anywhere Elementor. So let me activate this. So I already have installed this plugin. The second plugin is Add-ons Elementor. Let me activate this plugin as well. And here, let me visit my site here and just click on Edit with Elementor. Here it is. And then let me remove this button from this section. So let me click on publish here. Now let me visit my site again. You can see here we have no button here. How can we make this pop-up here? So I will compare with this pop-up. I will create my new pop-up. So let me go back to exclusive add-on sections here. So let me go back and let me here on this section here, edit with Elementor on this is my home page. I will search for pop up. Here is model pop up. I will just drag and drop pop up here. So now I will keep it like this and I will redesign it after a few minutes. So let me go back to my dashboard here again. And here, yes, you can see AE templates. This is the feature of Anywhere Elementor. I will click on AE templates. I will click on add new template. Here I will name it pop up and then I will click on edit with Elementor. So now this section I will just click on plus icon, flex box. I will choose the first one. That's it. Then I will go back to my widgets again and I will insert another container. I will go back to my widget section and here I will drag and drop adding inside internal container. Go back again. I will insert a text inside this container. You can see, let me inside of this container, not this. Just go back to widget section. Then I will drag and drop button inside. That's it. Just click on the heading section, go to style, center, same as it is, style, center, same as it is, style. So now you can see we have this. So let me change the heading here. I will click on get 50% off. So I will go to style tab here, typography, and transform. I will make it in uppercase. This and then I will just redesign my button. I will click on here and I will write get now. Okay. Now, sorry for that. Here, text. That's it. Now I will go to style tab here and I will choose the typography. Let me choose. It looks quite. And then normal text color. It's white already. Let me make white as well. And background type. I will make it here center. click on publish, and then just go over here, text color, and here I will make text color red, and I will make the hair color white. Then I will click publish. See, here it is. So let me remove one and just make the border color. Let me make the border red on hover, and in the default tab I will solid, and let me make the border width 1. You can see is here it is, but you can see the blue border when we have a simple button. When we hover it red. So let me go back and let me go to normal section here, border tab here, let red, and let me click. You can see quite good. Let me go back to border radius here, and I will make it 30 here. So see here it looks content, and thumb is now appearing. So let me click on publish here, and just click on here on this section here, the container, and go to style, background tab, and make this one white here on publish. Just go back and refresh AI templates and just copy this short code, go to edit with this button section here, type of model, make it short code here, just copy. So now button is not looking good. Let me remove the button icon. If you want to keep it, you can. Well, move this one here, and let me give it. Let me drag it a little bit on the headset. Here it is, and then I will go to content here, and I will just change it here. Get sale. Now looking quite big. I will tap here. I will remove the radius from here, border radius, make it 0. And here, let me make this 0 here as well. Now I will just unlink it here. I will give it a 10 from top, bottom, 20 from left, 20 from right. Then I will just make the alignment left. See, it's quite good. Want to change the color, so you can colors as well. I will click on publish, and make the I will check the preview. Here you can see looking like this as compared to this one. This one is not looking quite good. So let me make this one good. Just click on here on the internal container, advanced section, go to padding. Here, just make it 40 from top, bottom, 20 from right, 20 from left. Let me click on publish. Let me check it again here. And you see, it's not looking good as compared to this one. How can we make it good? Click on this section, layout. Here, just make it 70. It is. Then click on 6 dots here. And here, just for content center, align item center here. Well, here, just click on this section, go to style, border, just make it 10 from all. Publish, go back again here, and now let me check. Now you can see it's looking quite good, and you can compare it with this one. You can see it's looking quite good. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can comment section. Will provide my Elementor Pro link. If you want my Elementor Pro, kindly just share it in section so you can buy from there. And kindly don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.